Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can motion track your videos in CapCut PC. So there are a few ways to do that. I'm just going to show you the manual way, which is it's not a little bit, it is super tedious to do. But I'm just going to select a video that I want to motion track. For instance, this one, and I think this one would be a bit hard to do. I think I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to select the 9:16, and I'm just going to scale it by a lot. Then add in a text here. And you're going to type in an O or a dot. Place it where you want the face to always be, for instance here. Lock it in place, select your video and add a keyframe. And you're just going to go frame by frame to make sure her face is always in the middle of that O. That's why you had to zoom in a little bit. Just move it around, and when you're done, you're just going to remove the text. It is super tedious, but it's the most precise way to do it. But I'm just gonna stop here. You have to obviously do till the whole video. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.